How to use Aldi Curbside Pickup. To use Aldi's Curbside Pickup, you must place your order through the official Aldi app or the website or via the Instacart as well. While approximately 1,500 locations offer the service, it is not universal, and so you should first check the availability for your specific zip code as well. So you could simply go ahead and open the Aldi grocery app onto your device, visit the Aldi store locator or enter your zip code in the Aldi app or website and see if the curbside pickup is available or not. So if you can just go ahead and type in and hit the enter button, you should be able to see that you do not have such items, or you should be able to find these options as well. You can simply tap on the more button here as well. You should be able to find this curbside pickup. If it is available, you just need to go ahead and start adding your item to the virtual cart. And at the checkout, you just want to make sure to choose pick up a time frame and your preferred store location as well. And during the ordering process, you will be asked to enter your vehicle's make, a model, and color so employee can identify you upon arrival as well. And you will receive a text or an email notification once an LD employee has finished shopping and your order is ready. So drive to the store and just look for a designated blue curbside pickup space, and in the check-in, you could just go ahead and tap I'm here in the Aldi app or tap onto the link in your notification to alert as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.